This Be More Lifestyle Extra is sponsored by GBMC Healthcare.
Well, summer is finally here, but so is the heat. And as the heat index rises above 90 degrees, we run the risk of having a heat-related illness. Well, our friend Dr. Jeffrey Sternlicht is here to explain those conditions and how we can avoid them. Okay, so talk to us. Give us some examples of a heat-related illness and the warning signs, because those are important.
There's a spectrum, and it starts out with something like heat cramps or heat exhaustion, and then goes to the most severe, which is heat stroke. And basically what it comes down to is a combination of dehydration and the lack of the body's ability to compensate for the heat.
And so how can people protect themselves and children against heat-related illnesses, especially because we're all wearing masks right now, right?
So one of the most important things is acclimatization.
Okay.
And the body can actually acclimate to the heat. So early in the season, as of now, as it's just becoming hot, is the time when we see the most illnesses. By late August, you see less because the body's already acclimated. So getting short bursts of exposure to heat early on in the season, and then going inside and in air conditioning and resting, and drinking, hydrating, and so forth. By acclimating, you will prepare yourself and help prevent illnesses. Additionally, just taking a lot of breaks, going inside to air conditioning places when you can, staying very well hydrated both before, during, and after. All those will help prevent.
Okay, and so what should we do if you or somebody you know starts to suffer from heat exhaustion or heat stroke?
First thing is get out of the environment you're in if you can. Get to a cooler environment. Cold fluids, even a cold bath or a cold shower if somebody's awake and alert. The one thing you need to look out for is confusion or what we call mental status changes. So if anybody faints or gets confused or acts bizarrely, those are all reasons to call 911 immediately, because heat stroke is a medical emergency, and that's something that needs to be treated in a hospital as fast as possible.
All right, well, great tips. Thank you so much, Dr. Sternlicht, for joining us. And if you'd like more information, visit the website on the bottom of your screen.
This Be More Lifestyle Extra was sponsored by GBMC Healthcare.